always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Well, after a morning like this, the last thing I want to say is get used to it, because we have not a single day in the 8-day forecast with temperatures above average. Most of the highs are only in the 30s. Let's take a look at it right now, and you'll be able to see this is South Haven, and Lake Michigan is rocking and rolling right now. 8 to 12-foot waves. Gale warnings were in effect, just expired, but still, you do not want to be out there. Certainly stay off the piers. You can just see the force of Mother Nature and the waves out there. Temperature 29 degrees in Grand Rapids, also in Battle Creek, upper 20s out there, but here's a kicker. We have a wind out there, and we had some winds at South Haven, 52 miles an hour, 51 in Saugatuck. That's where the strongest winds have been. They're not quite as strong in inland, but still a sustained wind right out of the northwest. And yes, this time of year, it's a cold wind, and that's giving us this. Feel like readings in the teens. You know, it should be a date where you don't have, where you can't use the wind chill anymore, but that certainly is going to be the case today, and we have a few more windy days in the 8-day forecast coming up. Here's the latest in Storm Track Live radar. This time of year, it's kind of difficult to accumulate snow during the day, but the heaviest of the band of snow right now, just east of Greenville, slicing right up to the Sand Lake area, just south of Big Rapids right now. And there could be just minor accumulation on the grass from that band, but overall, you can see with a visible satellite, very interesting. The banding is right here. You can actually see that lake effect band in the visible satellite. The back edge of the lake effect clouds right over Lake Michigan. Yeah, this is sunshine over here. You get on the other side of the lake, and this is snow on the ground. They had heavier amounts of snow up to our north. Both Houghton Lake and Traverse City, 6.3 inches of snow, so over half a foot of snow up to our north. And on the warm side of the storm system, over 400 reports of severe weather, most of it wind. Fortunately, nowhere near as much severe weather today. There's just a small area in the mid-Atlantic states that could see a little bit of severe weather out ahead of the cold front. This is the cold front, area of low pressure that did bring the severe weather off to the south and gave us the snow on the cold side of the system, and certainly it is cold. Now, as we head towards the late afternoon into the evening hours, still a chance of some snow showers up there, especially around Ludington, the Hart, Little Sable Point, over towards Big Rapids. We'll see partly cloudy skies, and we'll wake up to a little bit of sunshine tomorrow morning. That sunshine will gradually fade away later in the afternoon as the next storm system comes in. This is 8 p.m. on Thursday. Now, this forecast model has completely changed. It had the heaviest of the snow over us the previous run. Now it shifts it way to the north. I've looked at other forecast model runs with different models, and it has the snow all over the place. So keep in touch with us and tune in later this afternoon. But I wouldn't be surprised if we see a shift once again in this area of snow. Right now, this forecast model has most of it to the north. I wouldn't believe that yet. Nonetheless, just prepare for the potential of more accumulating snow for Thursday night into Friday morning. And behind that system, lake effect snow showers, highs only in the 30s, and again, a breezy, windy day on Friday. So we'll be dealing with wind chills probably in the teens, lower 20s. Once again, Saturdays, a few snow showers. and Tuesday, maybe 40s. Wouldn't that be nice? 40s.
Yeah.
And Wednesday, 48 degrees. But, you know, back and forth. This is a winter type pattern, and it's going to be a cold couple weeks in April. By the way, I just checked Orlando's high temperature forecast. I love torturing you, Tom. 88 degrees. So those
too hot.
Those spring breakers, man, boy, they picked a good one this year.
They sure did. Oh, perfect.
Just so nice.
Thanks, man.